Okay, this is number 7 on page 151, and in this problem we're given basically two data points. We're told that Alan's on a weight loss program, and on the 15th day he weighed 176 pounds. So we're going to pretty much let X be the number of days he's on a diet, and Y be, or F of X, which is the same as Y, be his weight in pounds. So we're given kind of these two checkpoints here. Then at 45 days into the diet, he weighs 170. So we can see that he's losing weight, right? As days increases, his weight is going down. So we have to answer some questions in part A and B. So we're going to need to find out what's this function. So first of all, find the slope. So negative 6 over 30. So basically negative 1/5. Okay, and this is, that tells you how many pounds he loses per day. So he loses 1/5 of a pound per day, right, because it's negative. And so that means every 5 days he's lost a whole pound. So let's use point slope form and write what this function is. So I'll use this first data point. Okay, so plus 15 divided by 5 is 3. So adding 176 to both sides, we get 179. This tells me that Alan started at 179 pounds and he loses 1/5 of a pound per day, and Y tells you what his current weight would be. And we'll just replace Y, this was slope-intercept form, with F of X, because that's what we're learning to use. Okay, so pay attention to the 179, because it becomes to play in part A, where you're supposed to find out how much did Alan weigh at the beginning of the diet. So basically they're saying, well, when X is 0, what's Y? And you can see that if this is 0, that he weighed, at time equals 0, or number of days equals 0, he weighed 179 pounds. So negative 1/5 times 0 plus 179 is 179. So he weighed 179 lbs. And then in part B, they want to know, well, how many days is it going to take him to get to 165 pounds? So remember, this describes the function. So if I want to find out when is this value 165, and then solve for X, the number of days. So I could say 165 is negative 1/5 times X days plus 179. And then to solve for X, if I subtract 179 from both sides, I get negative 14 is equal to negative 1/5 X. I can multiply both sides by negative 5. And I get 70 is X. So X is 70. So that would be in 70 days, Alan should be, he'll reach 165 pounds. Okay? So that's page 151, number 7.